Welcome to Chris's Lumberyard. So what we're doing right now is following the AnnaWhite.com, Anna-White.com easy DIY garage shelf install. So we just put 2x4 by 12 feet boards up on the wall, on the drywall, drilled them in with 3-inch self-drilling, really awesome screws, and they are evenly spaced and fairly level. The floor is not, it kind of slopes downward, so I made the top one level and then just measured them all from there. So anywho, that is what's happening. It's very dark in here. Apologies, let's not backlight it. Let's do that. And keep a tight shot so you don't see all of this. It's a family-friendly channel. So yeah, I'll just keep going. I got the 3, it calls for 4, but I think I might just leave the bottom shelf concrete. So save myself a 2x4 by 12 and use it for something else. Okay, that's it. And scene.